I was doing KDP niche research and came across a few really interesting low content book niche ideas. I thought why not to share with you, and also I will be sharing the tools and my exact process. These are the dishes I didn't think existed. The first one is 2-inch graph paper notebook. As you can see, the total results are 203. There are only 2 exact match on the first page and there are 11 individually published books on the first page. The average bestseller rank is 390,500,000. The lowest BSR is 25. That means one book is making a lot of money in this niche. And the highest is over 5 million. Average reviews are high, 3,216, and the highest reviews are over 54,000. Before I go into the details of these niches, let me quickly show you the niche ideas. The first one is 2-inch graph paper notebook. The second one is 4-column appointment book. Before we move on to our next niches, let me show you the process I am using and how I came across these niches. I was using Bookboard and doing niche research using this tool that is called Cloud Tool. So it shows you top 100, top 200 or even top 300 books or top 500 books in a given category. So I was doing top 100 and under category notebook. Here I just type a keyword like black paper notebook and then click on search. This keyword isn't necessary. You can type any other keyword or leave it blank. Using this search phrase, I came across the very first niche, that was 2-inch graph paper notebook. That appealed to me and I did further research by going to Amazon, and here I typed 2-inch graph paper notebook and it actually appeared in the drop down. To view these results, I am using a Chrome extension called Titan's Quick View. By using Bookboard and this extension, I was able to generate some niche ideas that are really interesting. You can access Bookboard for free by accessing their 3 days free trial, and if you want to purchase a subscription, you can also get 20% off using the coupon code below in the description. The other niche was nursing pharmacology notebook, and the results are 523, exact match are 33 out of 48, and there are 45 individually published products on this page. Average bestseller rank is over 750,000, lowest is 6,240, and there is one book that is actually selling very well, and that is this one. I also checked its graph by going to the last 6 month data, and it was selling very good. So like you can see, it is selling. The BS has a 20,000 and 16. Here it also went to 10,000 BSR, 14,000, 30,000, then again to 45,000, 39,000. Now currently it is on 25,000, I think so. So it is selling really well. It is showing 33,000. The BSR gets updated every hour. So that's why we show different numbers at different times. Let me go back to our list. I found an hour ago 4-column appointment book. That I found this niche customizable logbook 5-column, and taking the idea from this keyword, I found this 4-column appointment book. So demand score is 5, that is good. Opportunity score is great, that is 9. There are only 220 results. 3 are exact match and 9 are individually published. There is a great chance here you can make very good sales if you create a quality product. So this is a good niche. Then is customizable logbook 5-column. The total results are 197 only. Exact match are 20 out of 48. Individually published are 44. BSRs are not that great. However, there is a book that has nearly 22,000 average bestseller rank. Review count is very low and the price is good one. This is good niche. Then it's really interesting niche, that is low vision paper notebook. Total results are 2,537. There are 19 exact match and individually published are 38. BSR is over 1.22 million. The lowest BSR is 92,000. That could be good niche. It's untapped niche. There may be very low demand at the moment, but who knows, in future it could be a great niche. So you can publish in this as well. Then is nursing pharmacology notebook. We just discussed 523 results, 33 are exact match and 45 are individually published. So these are niches, and this was the process I am following. You can also do this process for any other category, like you can select journal, and here you can just leave it blank and click on search. You can move these sliders to something like 150,000 like this and click on search, and it will give you a list of top 100 books within this BSR range, 0 to 152,000, and you can take note of the keywords and the covers and the titles. You should be looking at the BSR, that is 8,766. They are showing average BSR for last 30 days. These are very good BSRs for these niches. You can keep scrolling things I can't say out loud in meetings. In this way you can find niches. Let me check under the notebook niche. Let's see what other niches we can find using Bookboard's cloud tool. So you can try this for free. It gives you 3 days trial. After that you can subscribe to their monthly or 6 monthly subscription. You will also get 20% off using my coupon code shown in the description below. So there is customizable logbook 5 column. We already discussed this. Graph paper notebook. There are quite a few new niches. Chinese writing paper, that could be a good niche. Average BSR is 20,900. Monthly bill payment. Then is graph paper. We already discussed this. So let's check out any other category like planner and see what comes out. In the planner, wall plates, pilots, workout women, the only living trust, cleaning schedule and checklist, that could be good niche. BSR is just over 10,000. That's very good. Cleaning schedule and checklist. Let's do a quick research here. Cleaning schedule, that could be good niche as well. So I am doing live research in front of you. So you can take note of my process and also take note of the tools I am using. So you can see these are ranking on the first page for this exact keyword, that is cleaning schedule and checklist. This will take some time to load. Books, there are a lot of individually published books here and with very good BSRs. Actually, this is good niche. So I am giving up another niche. Let me take screenshot of that. I am using this snipping tool. I am on Windows PC. I just take screenshots here and then highlight the niche here. Then I can simply save it. This could be untapped niche. Cleaning. So cleaning, schedule, notebook and checklist. So we just found another niche idea. That's cool. Learn piano for adults, beginners, everything you need to know when I am gone. Then is when I am gone. Let's do some trick. Control F and here we can type notebook. Let's see what comes out. Basketball drills, plays and strategies. Okay, this diagram notebook, I think so, and BSR is 84,000 average BSR. That could be a niche. Down here there is homeschool lesson planning minimalist notebook. That could be a good niche as well. Let's check it out. It's BSR 29,000. Average BSR during the last 30 days is 29,000. That's good one. Another niche, wedding planner notebook for bride. Let's see its BSR. Average BSR is 91,000. Okay, it's good one, not bad. So this is the whole process and this is the way I find niches using Bookboard. If you are interested in getting Bookboard, check out the link in the description below, and also let me know if you want me to make more niche research videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.